This is a used 2008 Cadillac Escalade ESV, powered by all-wheel drive, a 6.2-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, heated steering wheel, leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, remote start, steering wheel controls, a DVD system, memory seats, trailer hitch. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, fog lights, second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, traction control, parking sensors. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Keith Hawthorne Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 617 North Main Street, Belmont, North Carolina, 28012.